Here we have the hands-on look at the Galaxy Z Fold 7. We're just days away from the official launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. But the wait feels shorter now because the phone's refreshed design has been leaked in full through live hands-on images. Samsung's next-gen foldable has officially revealed its bold new look, and honestly, it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Tipsters UK even shared exclusive real-life photos of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. And in that iconic blue finish, the phone looks absolutely stunning. The leaked shots showcase both the front and rear of the device. But interestingly, the display crease is completely hidden, thanks to a clever matte protective film. By the way, if you haven't reserved the Galaxy Z Fold 7 or Watch 8 yet, now's the time. Samsung is offering a chance to win up to $5,000 in credit just by reserving. Reserving also gives you $50 in Samsung credits, a $900 trade-in credit, and an extra $300 instant credit. So don't miss out. Looking at the back first, Samsung has finally done away with the polarizing camera rings that divided fans last year. Instead, they've returned to the sleeker camera styling seen on the Galaxy Fold 5 and the S24 Ultra, giving the phone a much cleaner, more premium aesthetic. Moving to the front, the cover screen is now bigger and better. The new panel stretches out to a full 6.5 inches, making the Fold 7 feel more like a traditional bar phone when closed. And when you open it, you're greeted with a massive 8-inch immersive screen, perfect for multitasking and media. Another leaked photo gives us a clear look at how slim the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has become. Samsung has aggressively trimmed down its dimensions, making the device even more pocket-friendly. When folded, it's just 8.9 millimeters thick, and when unfolded, only 4.2 millimeters, making it a strong contender for the slimmest foldable on the market. Samsung will officially unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 7 on July 9 at its Unpacked event in the US. Alongside it, we'll also see the Galaxy Z Flip 7, a more affordable Flip FE model, the Galaxy Watch 8 series, and the new Watch Ultra 2025, all set to redefine Samsung's product lineup. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.